This man shocked everyone in the middle of the street. See this tree trunk? Look at what he's gonna do with it. He starts off by cutting several pieces inside of it, and for now, it doesn't really look like anything particular. However, just pay attention. Everything's perfectly calculated. He continues removing specific parts of the tree, takes out a chainsaw, and something already begins to take shape here. He starts off by sculpting the figure, adding many satisfying details, and slowly he starts adding more intricate structures to its core. And look at the final result with numerous new details. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is